Hello guys, in today's video we'll be creating a login form using HTML, Bootstrap, PHP and MySQL. In the other video or the previous video we learned how to create a sign up form using HTML, Bootstrap and PHP, MySQL. So today we'll be continuing. So I'll create a file and then I'll say login.php. Now the login will be more or less like the sign up. We will just get rid of certain things and then we are good to go. So I'll just copy and paste everything here, and then I'll get rid of these things. I'll get rid of all these things here, and then I'll come down here and then I'll get rid of the confirm password, and then I'll also get rid of the username. So we'll be dealing with only the email and then that of the password field. And then remember, we are doing a login form, so I'll change this name to login, and then I'll change this one also to login, and then I'll change this one, but let me give it a class, and then I'll say float left, and then I'll change the address to index.php, and then I'll say not yet a member, then I'll just write sign up. Okay, I'll copy this line of code and then duplicate it on the same line, and then with this one I'll set the field to right, and then I'll just use the hashtag for now. So we'll be building this particular field or link in the next video. So if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, and then also if you haven't watched the previous video, kindly go over and watch the previous video so that you understand this part very well. So I will say forgot password, okay, and then I'll use the break tag here. So now let's look at what we have. So this is what we have. Okay, so let's go and then, but let's change this part since we are working within a login PHP file. So we are changing the action to login with PHP, so meaning all whatever that we will be executing should be executing in the same file. So I will change this one also to login. So the login is coming from this side, it's coming from here. So as I said earlier on in the previous video, I said if a set function is more or less like add event listener in JavaScript. So meaning whenever we click on the login button, that is this one, whenever we click on this button, we should be executing this line of code. So I will be creating variables. So I will say, let me create a comment here, single line comment, and then creation of my variables, and then I will say variable email is equal to $sign under post, and then I'll say email, okay, and then I'll say variable password and then I'll say underscore post, and then I'll say password. Sorry. And then I'll write an if statement. So within this, I'll pass some condition here, and then I'll say variable password is equal to password, and then I'll say variable is username taking is equal to select everything from members, where password single quotation variable password, and then I'll terminate this line of code, and here I'll create my query variable, and then I'll say my SQL query, and then I'll pass two parameters, the connection variable, which is this one, and then the next one will be is username variable. So it's username taking. Okay, then the last variable I will be creating will be called num, and this num will be set to SQLi number of rows, and then within this I'll pass our query variable. Okay, so I'll create another condition, and then with this condition I'll say if variable num is greater than 0, sorry, then we are doing this. So you see login successful. Okay, so all what we are saying is that when the user is able to type something that exists or match the entries in the database, then the user should see this printed on the screen, that is login successful. But then if the user types something that do not match any of the entries in the database, we are doing this. We are saying script, and then we will pass this condition or statement here. So we say wrong credentials, and then I'll close my script tag here, and then I'll come down here, and then I'll write my last else statement, and then with this one I'm saying alert something went wrong. Okay, so all what we are saying is that if the entries of the user, the entries the person will be doing here, the user will be doing here in both the email and then the password field, if it matches an exact information or entry in our database, then this condition will be printed. But if it's not so, then we are printing this second condition, which says wrong credentials. But if the condition within which the user will be doing the entries exceed or does not meet these two conditions, then we are printing the last condition, that is something went wrong. So let's test our project and see. So I'll type programmer changed the name to login form, and then I've changed this text to you are warmly welcome to the largest community. Okay, so let's test our project and see. So in the previous video we did some signing up of users. So I'm typing this email address with this password, and then let's see, login successful. Okay, so now let's see if it is true. So this is what I typed. I typed this email and then this password. Now let me do something here and then I will change it. I'm setting the password field to test for learning purposes. So let me type this email address and then I will change the password, and then I will say 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and then I'll click, and then it tells me that it's wrong credentials. I'll repeat the same email address and then I'll type a different password, and then let's see, still wrong credentials. So let's check if it's true that it's a wrong credentials. So we have this email, so the email is right, it exists in our database, but the password is 1234. It wasn't the right password. So let's go over again and type. So I'm typing 1234 and let's see. So login successful. So thank you for watching, and then don't forget to subscribe so that you will not be missing the next videos that I will be uploading. In the next episode I will be creating one factor authentication. So from here you lead or our system will lead us to a place where we'll just input our pin codes. So some pin code will be sent to us through our email. So we'll be doing that in our previous episode. We did the sign up, and this video we did the login. So in the next video we'll be doing the one-time factor authentication, which pin code will be sent to us through our email, and then we type the same pin code, and then if it's true that the pin code is valid, then it will lead us to another page, or that is our home page. So in the next videos we'll be learning so much, and then so much things. So don't forget to subscribe and also share this video, and then also remember that programming is a skill which requires daily daily practices. So don't forget to practice, don't forget to learn, don't forget to believe in yourself. Until I see you again with the next episode, stay blessed and then keep working hard. You will all make it. Bye bye.